Good morning, friends of class 10th. Today we will learn about some phenomena that take place in the atmosphere of Earth due to refraction of light in the atmosphere. Okay. So what are those different phenomena? The first of them is that something strange, that you can see the sunlight 2 minutes before the sunrise and 2 minutes after the sunset. That means sunrise has not taken place, but you will be able to see the sun 2 minutes before the actual sunrise. Now, how does this thing happen? Let us take a look at this first diagram. See, here, this is the sun, this is the earth, the curvature of earth. Here I am not showing any atmosphere. Suppose there is no atmosphere near the earth. So the place at which the sunlight falls, here it will be all day, and where the sunlight is not able to reach, it will be all night at this portion. So you are standing over here, and what is for you? The time for you is the night time. Okay. Now, this is going to happen if the Earth's atmosphere is not there. But what if the Earth's atmosphere is present? What actually takes place? This is what it is actually taking place. See, here we have Earth, and you are still standing on the night side of Earth. Here we have the atmosphere. These dotted lines, they are showing the top of the atmosphere, and the sun rays, they are not able to reach you directly. So technically you are in the night side. Okay, but due to atmosphere, what happens? The ray of light that was supposed to go straight, due to atmospheric refraction, it bends, and it bends like this. And what you are receiving? You are not still receiving the direct sunlight, but you are receiving the bended rays of light. Okay, sunlight is not reaching you directly, so there is no sunrise at this time. But the bended ray of light, the refracted ray of light is reaching your eye. So what your eye is going to pick it up as? Your eyes will be thinking that the rays of light are actually coming from here. Okay, so what you will be able to see? You will be able to see this sun. But is it the real sun? No. It is a virtual image of sun that you are able to see. Okay. So when does this happen? This happens 2 minutes just before the sunrise and 2 minutes just after the sunset. Okay. So we are able to see the sun, not exactly the sun, but the virtual image of sun 2 minutes before sunrise and 2 minutes after the sunset. Okay, one very rare phenomena for atmosphere of Earth. Okay, now what is next? Next is, see, if you are a very keen observer, if you are observing sunrise as well as sunset, then you might have noticed that during the time of sunrise and at the time of sunset, the sun appears to become flat from the top and from the bottom. Okay, that means the top portion of the sun, it becomes quite a bit flat. The bottom portion of the sun, it also becomes quite a bit flat, and it appears to bulge in between. Okay, exactly ऐसा लगता है जैसे कोई स्पॉन्ज की बॉल हो और ऊपर से नीचे से किसी ने उसको पकड़ के दबा दिया. So flattening from top and bottom and bulging from between. Now, does the sun really becomes flat, or it only appears to be flat? Actually, the sun cannot change the shape so easily. So it only appears that the sun is bent. The sun does not actually get bent. And why does this happen? See, we again take a look at this diagram. And you can see here, this is the actual part of sun. The rays, I am showing you two rays. One ray is coming from the top. Okay. The other ray is coming from the bottom. Okay. So if you see the sun, and if you are observing these two rays, the sun still appears to be a perfect sphere. Alright. But what happens that when these parallel rays of light, when they reach the Earth's atmosphere, they suffer refraction. Okay, the air of the atmosphere has its own refractive index. So these rays of light also suffer some kind of refraction. So due to this, some rays of light will bend like this. Some other rays of light will bend like this. Okay, and now when you see the sun from here, मतलब रिफ्रैक्शन होने के बाद में अगर आप इन दोनों रेज को देखते हैं, so what is happening? Because some rays of light are bending downwards, some the bottom rays of light, they are bending upwards. So what happens? The sun appears to become flat from the top and from the bottom. Okay, now this thing, the flattening of the sun, it is seen only during the morning and during the evening time. Okay, it is not seen in the afternoon. Why it is not seen in the afternoon? Because in the afternoon, these parallel rays, when they cross the atmosphere, they still remain parallel. Okay, they are not bent. In the afternoon time, the sun rays do not get bent by the atmosphere. Why they are not getting bent? Because the angle of incidence is 0 degrees. If angle of incidence is 0, what will be the angle of refraction? Angle of refraction will also be 0 degrees. Okay, so that means the rays of light are not bending. So this bending phenomena you will be able to see only during the morning and the evening time. All right. Okay. Now coming to the last thing that happens due to Earth atmosphere. See, this is all about the things that happen during the sunrise and during the sunset. You can see that this is the time when the sun is present at the time of sunrise or sunset, and this is where the sun is exactly in the afternoon. Okay, now if you have been again a keen observer, you would have observed that the sun appears to be reddish or orangish during the sunrise and during the sunset. Now why does this happen? Why does the color becomes red? See, light is made up of 7 different colors by the name of Vibgyor. And out of this violet, indigo, blue, red, orange, green, the one color which is scattering the least is red color. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है कि हम सातों कलर्स को अगर एक साथ दौड़ा दें एटमॉस्फेयर के अंदर, तो सबसे कम फैलने वाला कलर कौन सा होगा? It is a red color. Red color scatters the least, and all the other colors, they will get scattered. Okay, and the more the light moves in the atmosphere, more will be the scattering. ठीक है, जैसे भाई आपके साथ में होता है, जितना ज्यादा दौड़ोगे उतना ज्यादा थकोगे. So in the same way, the rays of light, if they cover a very large distance in the atmosphere, the scattering is more. And if they cover very small distance, the scattering is less. So now let us see what happens in the morning and in the evening. Okay, see, the sun rays or the light coming from the sun is this, and it has to reach this point where you are sitting. See, during the sunrise and during the sunset, it has to cover a very large distance in the atmosphere. That means the scattering will be very, very, very large. So most of the colors, they get scattered, and only the one color which does not get scattered or which gets very, very less scattering is the red color. Okay, so all the colors are scattered like this, except the one color which is not scattered. And what is that color? That color is red. So which color is reaching your eye? It is a red color which is reaching your eye, and so the sun appears to be red. Okay, but again this thing does not happen in the afternoon. Now why it is not happening in the afternoon? See, because in the afternoon the distance covered by sunlight in the atmosphere is very less. Okay, you can see very less distance is covered by the sunlight, so the scattering is very less. Okay, that is why the color of the sun appears to be yellow, because the mean color, the average color of all the 7 colors of the spectrum is yellow. So you will be seeing the mixing of all colors, and which appears to you as which color? It appears to you as yellow. Okay, so it is red during morning and evening, but it is not red during the afternoon. Right? Now you have to read these phenomena from your NCERT book, which might be given in the last part of the chapter. You have to read this, and I will be giving you some questions. You have to answer them questions by yourself. It is all available in the NCERT book. Okay, right? Please go to the video again if you are not able to understand, and in case you are still having some doubt, you can ask me. All right, that's all for today. Thank you very much.